Alrighty, so we just arrived to the Palms Hotel. I'm gonna do a little tour for you. Hello.
Wow, this is really soft.
So this is the bathroom. It's so pretty. I wish there was a tub, even though I wouldn't have taken a bath, but it's always nice to always nice to, I guess, look at a tub. Shower.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at this. This is the door. Did you put the air on?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this closet. It's your basic closet.
This couch is so soft.
Okay, and then there's all of these little, oh look, they have a bottle of Mayomi. That's my best friend's favorite, right?
Whatever.
And I said it's her favorite though.
Oh, yeah.
And then, so you know if you take anything off of here, it charges you because it has a sensor.
Whack.
And then here's our fridge. And it's stocked. If you take anything out, it's charged. But we can because we booked the room through hotels.com, so Expedia, and we have a $50 room credit, so we can use it on whatever we want.
Look at that TV.
Food. The TV's really cool because it looks like a picture and it's big. So that's the room, and then the couch. This is a pretty picture.
Touch it.
Touch the picture?
Touch the couch.
Oh. Oh, it is soft.
It's so soft.
Whoa, it's so comfy.
It's so comfy.
This is gonna be, oh my god, look at the mountains.
I know.
Oh, this is Bobby Flay's restaurant. It's closed, but look. Okay, let's get pool. Weird. Really cool. It's this thing's really cool. I don't know what it is. It looks like he has like coral growing out of him, and
I read online that it's a giant headless demon and the head is somewhere inside of the palms, and it's actually somewhere there. Like I said.
But I don't think that that's a demon. So those are pools that are a part of someone's hotel room. Wow. I don't know how to speak. Oh wait, here's one right above me. And then Avner's bothering the lifeguards over there to play basketball. So this is the hallway to our room. And the pool was so nice, and I definitely think the hospitality here is really great, which can be lacking in Las Vegas in general. So it was nice that everyone was super kind to us, and Avner made some friends with the lifeguards who told him that he really can't play basketball, but I know he can. I trust him. Alrighty, so Avner and I are gonna head out soon. I'm just gonna go super cozy and casual. I'm not gonna wear any makeup or anything. And then we're just gonna go out to the strip. We think we were gonna stay here all day, but we decided we should probably just get out, get fresh air. We're thinking about going to the MGM Grand. Ooh, the cheese looks good too. Want me to do it?
I got it. Thank you.
You want the back bread?
We can put in this one. Thank you. I'm scared. Stop. Babe. Okay. Let's go to the right.
Yeah, let's go walk around. Yeah.
Got back to the room from Eataly. Gotta open the windows. Wow, it's like they're huge windows.
Wow.
I mean, we don't have a view of the pool, but we have the mountains and the city. There's the Rio. Ordered room service. So now we're waiting patiently for the food, right?
You can get that kimchi open.
As we watch Food Channel or Food Network. Room service.
You excited?
We actually did not like the mac and cheese or the fries. They just tasted like frozen food. It just tastes like they put them straight out of a bag, warmed them up, and gave them to us. So they comped that stuff. We did eat the brownie, and then they gave us pancakes. So we'll see how we like these. Obviously not the healthiest night in, but
they look fresh.
and tomorrow we'll eat healthy.